Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox my new oil extractor or fluid transfer pump that I purchased through Amazon. So this is a 60 watt 12 volt oil extractor pump. So what you're going to have is your power cord, and it has alligator clips on the ends, and this is what you're going to hook up to your battery to power your pump. Your instruction manual. And you're going to have two hoses, one's for the inlet and one's for the outlet. On your pump, take off these little protective boots. So on your pump, you're going to have the inlet and outlet. So you're going to take the thinner hose. It's going to go on the inlet. This is the one that's going to go down your dipstick tube or wherever you want to extract the oil from. And on the outlet, you're going to take the thicker hose. You're going to slide it on. Mine was missing the hose clamps, so I had one in the garage here, so we're going to tighten that down. So you're going to need a 12 volt source, or battery or booster pack or whatnot to power your fluid transfer pump. So I'm going to be using my Eliminator battery booster pack. So we're going to hook up positive to positive and negative to negative. So I'll just be using my push mower for demonstration purposes. Take out your dipstick. So we're going to take the inlet hose, the smaller hose, and we're going to be putting it right where you want to remove the oil from, right down the dipstick tube, right to the bottom. So the oil is going to come out of here, through the pump, and into my little bucket. I just have this set up so we can actually see it going through. So on the back of the pump, you're going to have your off and on. If there's a little bit left in the hose, I'll hold it above where you're draining the oil into, and it will gradually drain into my little bucket. And you can also speed it up a little bit by turning the pump on, raised above. Just don't have the pump running too long, or you can wreck your little pump inside. That's just showing how you would hook it up to another battery if you didn't have a booster pack. Or if you're using it on a vehicle or whatnot, you can hook it up to your battery terminals. This one was just dead, that's why I used that one. So again, when you're all done, you want to make sure your hoses are nice and clean. Like I said, you can hold the pump above where the oil can actually drain down into your little bucket. For many years I've been using my oil extractor, the manual one, and it's up on the shelf right now. But I will say the convenience is great, works well. So I mainly got this for extracting the oil from our Bayliner power boat. That was just a short video on how to use and unbox the new oil extractor. You can get these on Amazon. They range from $20 to $30. I found the manual oil extractor took forever. And this will certainly make changing oil in my little power sports and power equipment and boats much easier. Like always, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, make sure you post below. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.